Hello and welcome to another video. Today I am going to share with you how can you paste this image on top of this box like a mockup. So let's start. First of all, uh, unlock the layer and Control A and Control C to copy the image and go to this file, create a new layer. From top menu, go to filter and click on vanishing point, or you can open it with Alt Control and V. From here you have to create the rectangle and make sure you are so accurate on creating them like this. Okay, so you can adjust the edges by after creating the rectangle. Okay, so my rectangle looks just fine, and to go to the bottom, press Control and drag it down. Same goes with the other side. Click on Control and drag it down to the bottom where you think it looks good. Now it looks fine to me. What you have to do is now paste the image here. Control V. The image looks fine here. Okay, so when I drag it here, I can see it goes inside the box. But I have to make sure that the image is completely fit on the box. So what I will do is Control T to reduce the size of image. From here I can reduce the size, as you can see. Okay, so here it looks fine. I will click on OK. Now what I have to do is click from here effects, go to effects and select multiply to make sure the image looks fine. We have another image, we can try another image. We can try this painting as well. Control A, Control C. From here I can copy and go to filter and click on vanishing point. Here you can see that we have this vanishing point created already. So I have reduced the size. Now I will drag it inside the image. Okay, so here you can see the image is created. It's a little bit blur, but you can see that you have created your own mockup. That's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date.